Hi, welcome to Questor, the app that allows you to create, share, and experience quests anywhere you are. Today we're going to be walking through the app, pointing out its main features. The app is available on web, Android, and iPhone. I will walk through how to find and accept quests, how to create an account and review your user profile, and finally how to create, edit, and share quests with your friends. First, we're going to dive into the main splash page of the app. On the first page, if you hit this compass navigational button, you will find information how to get started with your adventure by creating an account. If it's your first time accessing this page, it will provide you instructions on how to quest. First, you'll sign up for an account, then you can search for quests, then you can accept, track, and share those quests, and then you can gain passive experience points for your profile by creating quests for others to compete. You can also find news and updates from the Questor community and the Questor app here. Latest news will be updated in these tiles, and spotlighted quests will be uploaded here, as well as any upcoming events. Down here are additional links to the quest map and the quest list. Also a tutorial on how to create a quest and a leaderboard for all of the profiles, experience points, and levels. You can support Questor on Patreon, Kickstarter, YouTube, or Reddit, and join our Discord community. Next, we're going to take a look at the map page by clicking on the map navigational button. On this page, a map will generate showing a blue dot where the user's location is and any pins that indicate a quest location. So if you're interested in doing any of the activities on the page, you can click on the pin and the tile card for that quest will pop up. The quest tile card shows the preliminary information regarding the quest, including the distance from the quest to the user's location, the number of reviews and completions of the quest, the distance that the quest is. This is 3 miles. The duration of the quest takes about 2 hours. Its general difficulty, and the amount of experience points you will gain by completing the quest. Tags for the quest are also located at the bottom. This is a hike in nature. If you want to see the quest details page, you simply click on the tile. But before we do that, I want to point out a few other features of the map page. You can search for quests by hitting the search icon at the top and simply entering in the quest's name. In this case, Timberline, Secret Pass. By clicking on that, the map will move to the quest location and the card will be generated. But if you're looking to do quests in another area, you can simply type in the name of the city or county that you'd like to view, and it will take you to that area, and you can then search for quests in this specific area by clicking the pins on the map. But you can always look for the quest title in the search bar as well to find the quest you're interested in. You can also filter quests by hitting the top right corner. The filter icon will bring up the filter module. You can filter by difficulty, distance, duration, the number of completions the quest has, and the average rating. You can also filter by tags. So if I want to do a hike. These filters will persist throughout the rest of the site. So if you do check out the quest list page, which we'll see next, the filters will remain on that page as well. So let's check out the quest list. By clicking on this page, a list of the quests that are near me will generate. From top to bottom, it's organized by their proximity to the user. The closest one to me is the Timberline Secret Pass, but wait, there's only 4 quests on this list. That's because my filter from before is still active. We can hit clear filters to see all of the other quests that are available to me. I'm going to go ahead and hit Timberline Secret Pass to check out the quest details page. The quest details page will show you all the information you need to know about a quest. It's going to give a title, who the quest was created by, and all of the different quest locations. Reaching each quest location is how you will complete each quest. By clicking Accept Quest, the app will begin tracking your location in relevance to each of the quest locations. Once you reach each one, you're able to complete the quest and gain the experience points. However, you can only accept a quest once you're logged in. So make sure to log in before accepting. Though without being logged in, you can still view all the quest information. Here are the quest stats listed on the quest tile card, but in a little bit more detail. The quest description can also be viewed here. as well as a map showing the actual quest locations. Each location can have an image uploaded to it. By clicking on the image, you can view. And you can also read the descriptions of each quest location, including the start, waypoint, and endpoints. Any reviews that the quest has will be located here as well. Once you complete a quest, you can submit at least one review for it. Quests can also be shared by clicking the share button, which will generate a QR code that can be shared with your friends or a link. In order to create quests, a user will need to log into an account. To log in, hit the icon at the bottom right. This icon will direct you to a login screen where you enter in a username and password. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one right here. Once you're logged in, you will have a profile page that'll show your level, the amount of experience you've gained, and the amount of experience you need to reach the next level. You can also view a leaderboard of all of the different folks who are trying to complete quests and get to the top of the leaderboard. The number of completed quests will show here and submitted quests. Your active quests are located here, including Timberline Secret Pass, and our completed quests are located below. Submitted quests, ones you've submitted, are located down here. So all of the quests in your log can be located on your profile page. Notifications can be turned on and off at the top. You can mark all as read, delete your notifications, enable or disable them here. Settings can be in the top right corner. You can edit your profile image or name. Go to the notification screen. You can submit support on either quests or anything else having to do with the app here. Our privacy policy and terms and conditions are located here as well. And you can log out of your account here. So let's review how to create a quest. Hit the top right corner, the plus sign, to go to the Create New Quest screen. If you're having trouble understanding everything you need to fill out, there is an information bubble at the top which explains some of the rules. All quests must have a valid start and end location, title, description, and difficulty. Quest locations must be in publicly accessible areas. No trespassing. Experience is awarded based on distance, time, and difficulty. Different travel modes affect experience. Walking, biking, and driving are the three modes to choose from. If routing is disabled, experience is estimated from distance and duration. All quests are reviewed by administrators before publishing or if they've been edited. Got it. So let's enter in our quest here. I'm going to call this walk around. I'm just going to call it a test. I'm going to put this as a walk to add tags. The more tags you have, the easier time people will have finding your quest. I'm going to say it's easy. And then I'll need to select my location. So I'm going to select a routing option of walking. I can change the pin icon by clicking here, which will change it to nature, view, family friendly. I'm going to do a hike. So experience points has been automatically generated by my difficulty, distance, and duration, which was generated by my route. If I want to disable routing, then I'll have to estimate distance and duration myself for admin review. Below, I can upload a description of the start location, my house, and add a picture if I would like to. More people will complete your quest if you add photos. Then I submit my quest for administrative review. All right, I've received a notification it's been submitted for review, and once it's approved, it will be live on the platform. So let's go back home. All right, my quest has been approved, and now it's showing up on the map page. I can click on it. All my information is here. I can accept my quest by clicking this button, and I'm already at the start location. Once I reach the start location, you see this green check mark. If you're at the location, it will check you off, and then I need to reach the end location. There it goes. Then I need to reach the end location for it to check off the end location, and then I can mark the quest as complete. Once it's complete, I'll gain the experience points for the quest. If I decide I would not like to do this quest anymore, I can unaccept it here. If I would like others to do my quest, I can actually gain additional experience points if other users complete the quests I created. I can share by using the share button, copy this and sending it to my friends. If they complete the quest, I will receive a small amount of experience points, one for sharing, but also because I created this quest. Anyone who creates a quest, if there are other users that complete it, will receive some bonus XP. Now say I'd like to change my quest. Say I want to add a waypoint. I can edit my quest by hitting the gear button. I can delete it, report it, or edit the quest. So I'm going to go in here and add a waypoint. So I'm going to set my waypoint location here. Now you can see the routing has changed and my experience point may have changed in distance. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Anytime you edit a quest, it does need to be re-reviewed by the administrator. So once again, my quest will fall off the main map screen until an administrator reviews the change and approves it. All right, my quest is now back with the changes implemented, edits implemented. This has been a review of the Questor app and its main features. If you have additional questions, please reach out to support@questor.com or through our support module on the app or on our webpage. Thanks for your time. Please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for additional news on our app and this project. Thank you for supporting Questor and the Questor community. Now get out there and quest.